Sonnentag project, is mission critical because the building that it was replacing on campus is the largest event facility in the region. You know, the facility had a great life. It served many purposes, but it wasn't air conditioned. It was small, and frankly, it was showing its age. We were very, very blessed in many areas of this project. Obviously, John and Carolyn Sonnentag's willingness to their family to donate the land and then to make a transformative gift. We have worked with Ayers for many, many years on a number of our projects. Not to mention, they're really a lot of fun to work with.
Well, every project we do at Ayers is very important to us. Those clients are important to us, and we're doing that work across the country. But when it comes down to this project, the Sonnentag, it's in our hometown, Eau Claire, where Ayers was born. Many of our folks have UW Eau Claire degrees. We're just interwoven with the university, and that makes it unique. The evolution of a project this size is really exciting. Our team at Ayers had all of the elements we needed. Everything from environmental engineers, wetland delineation. We needed grant experts. We brought a great deal of funding into the project. This project needed it all.
Deesa and I talk often. We've been in the industry for a while, but many people will call it that once-in-a-lifetime project. This project was kind of made for our company.
My first experience working with Deesa was very early on. She always tries to figure out a way to solve problems. And she always thinks about how is this going to benefit not only the project, but us as a customer. And I have appreciated that immensely.
If you converse with UW Eau Claire students, anyone from the student body, you're likely to hear about sustainability and how that's important to them. We definitely have wonderful members of the community like the Pablo Foundation who will step up and invest in sustainability because it's important to them. With the passion of the students who are willing to put their money towards making this project a sustainable one, that's not something that happens every day. And it sets an example for our community.
We don't want to burn any more dinosaur bones. We will give you funding if you put this project in as a carbon neutral, sustainable project. We would have never been able to do that had it not been for the support of the Pablo Foundation, for our students having the vision. The City of Eau Claire came to the table also with funding.
So sustainability on this project was covered 100% across the board in everything that we did, all the way through to the actual design of the building and all the building systems in it. Some of those things that we did with this facility included simple things like facing the building, mostly the long axis to the south so that we captured the southern sun. But then some of the other more deliberate things that we did were evaluating the building envelope. The building envelope consists of the floor slab, the walls, windows, doors, openings, all those things that are in the walls, the insulation in the walls, and then of course the roof and the insulation in the roof. The facility is actually 100% electric. There is no gas that's providing any sort of heating or power related element to the facility. We get all of our power from a renewable source. The electricity is provided by a large 5 megawatt solar field built in a nearby town. The geothermal system is something you'll never see. You drive out to the facility, park in the parking lot. Underneath the parking lot, we have 180 500-foot deep wells that go down into the ground and utilize the Earth's natural temperature to both heat and cool the building depending on which season we're in. What an exciting thing. For any project, number one, to achieve LEED certification of any level is an extraordinarily great accomplishment. But then to add in the well health safety rating, that really kind of closes the loop on the overall sustainability picture. One of the very unique things that we were able to create down in the lobby of the facility, you'll find anyone that comes to the facility, there's an interactive touchscreen display. On that dashboard, individuals have an opportunity to kind of poke around the building, peek behind the walls, peek behind the roof, and see all of the building systems, learn more about the details of what we did as architects and engineers, all of the decisions we made to actually create an energy efficient building can all be learned there.
So a project that evolved this long over time, I keep talking about those 11 years and how long it took. The conclusion seems so important. It was exciting to get to this point, but it's the beginning. We did a lot of big things with this project that we're very proud of at AIRS with a lot of our team, and what that really did is showed us the potential and where it could go. And our team's hungry to help with the next one. They're ready to go and see the next opportunity to help those partnerships come together and to a successful project outcome.